The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18.
Welcome back to Season 2 of The Changemakers. India is a rapidly developing country in which inclusive, high-quality education is of utmost importance for its future prosperity. Our country has the largest youth population in the world, a veritable army of 600 million young people under the age of 25. This demographic change could be a powerful engine of economic growth and development if India manages to modernize and expand its education system. Today, we look at STIR Education, an NGO that has been doing meaningful work in the field of education across 3 states in India. Let's take a look.
Schools and teachers innovating for results. Or STIR Education is an organization which envisions a world where every child develops a love of a lifelong learning. They believe that today's education systems must prepare all children to thrive in a world of unknown unknowns. At STIR, the aim is to reignite intrinsic motivation in teachers and officials to role model the foundations of lifelong learning for every child.
In order to ensure lifelong learning, Samagra Shiksha, in partnership with STIR Education, conducts intrinsic motivation training for supervisors, BRTs, and teachers handling class 1 to 8. For the past 2 years, CRC-wise network meetings was conducted, facilitated by BRTs, where teachers identify the challenges, discuss their innovative practices, and prepare their action plan and share it with their peer teachers. In second network meeting, teachers reflect on their implementation. BRTs support teachers by providing feedback during the school visit. By these network meetings and joint observation visit, continuous support is provided to teachers across the LIC.
STIR's affordable education intervention costs less than 30 rupees per child per year in India. This program is on track to achieve true sustainability within 5 years. Over the past few years, the NGO has developed strong partnerships with the state governments of Delhi, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The organization has signed a memorandum of understanding with the State Council of Educational Research and Training in Delhi and another one in Tamil Nadu with Samagra Shiksha.
At STIR Education, we have identified the core foundations that enable lifelong learning, which is supported by a deep body of global evidence. Our approach is based on the 3 core principles of peer learning, action and feedback, and reflection. We started our engagement in Tamil Nadu in November 2018, beginning from Vellore district, and then expanded to Virupuram and Dharmapuri districts in 2019. The program works in cycles across the academic year. Each cycle is called a Learning Improvement Cycle, LIC, which specifically focuses on a particular theme for teachers and runs for a period of 3 months. Currently, our reach is around 132 BRT supervisors, 1,117 BRTs, 47,000 teachers, and 11,26,000 children in primary and middle schools.
Every month, teachers meet in peer networks, meeting of 20 to 30 teachers within a school or across a group of local schools. The meetings are led by school leaders who expose teachers to key classroom practices and the evidence behind them. The networks strengthen peer connections, fostering mutual support and sustainable improvement. Between meetings, teachers act on their learning by introducing new practices in their classrooms. They are observed by a school leader or peer and provided feedback for further improvement.
STIR Education Network Meeting proves to be a good platform for our teachers to share various problems they come across in the teaching learning process. Solutions for such problems were discussed among the teachers in the network meeting and it was implemented in their schools. Learning loss of the children is a major challenge in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. STIR Education teacher modules give many innovative ideas to overcome this situation.
To ensure continuity of learning for our school students during COVID-19 pandemic, with the guidance of STIR Education videos and the support of school headmaster, I created a WhatsApp group. I sent paperwork sheets, encouraged students to watch Kalvi TV programs, taught them individually in their villages. At the beginning, the children did not show interest in filling the worksheets, so I started giving the worksheets with a packet of biscuit and peanut candy. This increased the active participation of children. I would like to say huge thanks to Stir Education, block supervisor, block resource teacher educator, and headmaster for guiding and providing me with adequate support to engage my students in learning in unprecedented times like these.
I saw a video in Stir Education LIC3 where a teacher from another district used a bait fish game method to teach words to students. This intrinsic motivation training program not only helped me to learn through videos of other district teachers, it also helped me learn training and learning methods from my peer teachers too. Thank you.
In 2020, as part of its efforts to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic, Stir Education expanded their reach in Tamil Nadu. In addition to the existing projects, they are now working with a total of 13 districts in the state and 29 districts across India. In Karnataka, they are working towards delivering a series of to provide emotional support during COVID, as well as preparing them for remote engagement.
With COVID-19 pandemic, it has been a great challenge to connect with teachers, intern with students. This year, 3 LIC was conducted in virtual mode, which is different from previous years' in-person training. This year, videos and reading materials are shared with teachers. After going through the reading materials and videos, teachers prepare their action plan and submit in the Padlet after discussing with their peer teachers and BRTs. Also, during this pandemic, when schools are closed, innovative teacher practices to improve students' learning are identified and shared among teachers in our district.
Stir Education started with just 25 teachers in 2012 and has now reached more than 180,000 teachers and 4.7 million children. By 2025, the NGO hopes to reach 30 million children across India. Undoubtedly, Stir is a truly inspiring change maker in the field of education. With that, it's a wrap for this week. We'll be back next time with yet another inspiring story of a change maker. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.